The Directorate of Information Technology organized a significant regional awareness workshop at Pragna Bhawan on Friday. The event served as a precursor to the upcoming India AI Impact Summit 2026, scheduled to take place at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi on Friday 19 and 20. The workshop was graced by State Chief Secretary J.K. Sinha and IT Secretary Kiran. Approximately 350 delegates attended, including students from premier institutions like NIT Agartala, National Law University Tripura, IIT Agartala, and NFSU, to prepare the youth and academic community for the transformative power of artificial intelligence while ensuring ethical and safe usage.
As we all know that India AI Impact Summit is organized in Delhi from 15th to 20th February. This is the 4th global conference on AI. Our Honorable Prime Minister has emphasized the adoption of AI in all aspects of our social and economic life. So as a part of that, a pre-event has been organized in Tripura, and we have collaborated with the National E-Governance Division meeting, and all the engineering colleges and technical institutes in the state. Large number of students, more than 500, are attending this pre-event today. So today we are discussing about the scope of AI implementation in our state. So it may be in the field of health, agriculture, education, and all the resources that our state possesses. So we are also helping them to attend the event in Delhi. And after that, we will be organizing a 100 days challenge in our state, where all the students can participate and deploy their AI in the actual ground level. So from that challenge, we will select best maybe 10 AI use cases, and then government will support the adoption of AI in those 10 projects. So such initiatives are being taken by the department under the startup policy and also new generation innovation network that we have in the state. The brightest minds have attended today's pre-event summit in our state, and I hope that with the quality of our human resource, Tripura, like say we have made our presence in the field of reforms as well as in the field of digital governance. In the coming days, we will also make a mark in the country in the AI implementation.
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.